Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe. How can I help you?
Hi, we would like to order lunch, please.
Of course. Here are your menus. Take your time.
Wow, there's so many things to choose from. What are you going to eat, Molly? I think I'll have a cheeseburger. I love cheeseburgers. What about you? I don't know. I like pizza, but I also like pasta. Oh, look, they have pasta with mushrooms. That sounds good. Oh, they have chicken nuggets too. I really like chicken nuggets. Me too, but today I really want a burger. I'm so hungry.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'll have a cheeseburger with fries, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a lemonade, please.
Perfect. And you?
I'll have the chicken nuggets with salad, please.
Would you like a drink too?
Yes, can I have a cola, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Do you have cheesecake?
Yes. We have cheesecake with caramel chocolate. Oh, our blueberry.
Cool. I'll have chocolate cheesecake for dessert, please. I'll take blueberry cheesecake, please.
Great. I'll bring your food soon. Here are your cheeseburger and chicken nuggets. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious. Yeah, thanks. The nuggets are really good. My burger is tasty too. I love the cheese. I'm so glad we came here. Next time, I want to try the pizza. Good idea. Oh, and the lemonade is so fresh. My cola is good too.
Are you ready for your dessert?
Yes, please. Me too.
Here you go. Chocolate for you and blueberry for you.
Thank you. Thanks. This is so good. I love cakes. Me too. We should come back here again. Yes, next time with our friends. Deal.
I'm glad you liked them. Can I get you anything else?
No thanks. We would like the check, please.
That'll be 20.50 pounds.
Here you are.
Here is your change.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too? See you next time.
Bye.